Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing my Savage Fenty order. This is my first order placed on Rihanna's lingerie website. I placed my order on July 20th and it arrived today, July 27th. As far as I can remember, there are faster shipping options. I just chose to go with that one. I ordered 2 bras. And this is the invoice that comes in the package with the items. And at the top of the invoice, it gives you a summary of the items that you purchased. I ordered 2 t-shirt bras in this pink color and in black. And I ordered them in a size 36C. This is the pamphlet that comes in the box as well. Each bra is individually wrapped too. My total for my order was $68. At the time that I made my purchase, there was a promotion going on, so I did get free shipping and I saved $39 on my order. So my total was only $30.54. I tried one of them on. The material is really soft. I like the bands. It won't show under your shirt, basically. It'll be a smoother look. The underwire is very, very supportive. And it's a really snug fit, but it's still very comfortable at the same time. I would definitely purchase it again. If you're looking for this particular bra or this type of bra, you go to the website, you click on the menu, and you can look at them based on what type of bra it is. That is my review of the Savage Fenty. And I hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.